Alright folks, another stage here. Started doing some of the framing. Putting some of the stripping up here on the walls. Just using my 1x3s there. Put some of the rivet nuts in. Same on this side. Because we're going to put the wall right up against this wall board. Now, there's a word of caution when using Rivnuts. If you use the smaller ones and try to squish, if you try to put too much pressure on them, you're going to strip the Rivnut tool, and then you're going to end up having to drill them out because they're not going to go in tight enough as the threads strip. And you're going to end up something like this. So I had a loose one here, and a loose one there, which eventually I had to drill out with the drill bit, just like a regular rivet. But I stripped the tool itself, so I'm going to have to buy another one of those adapters. So the trick with these really small ones, this is a 10/32. The trick with these is to make sure that you only just give it a little bit of a squeeze when you put it in here, just enough to squish it up so that it doesn't move. Any more than that, you're going to strip the threads on the male end, which is on the tool. So now I'm going to order another bit for the Rivnut tool so I can get the rest of these finished up. And that'll be that. And then I have to put strips across the top. So this will be the same thing. I've got one Rivnut started up there, and I'll show you that it's not in tight enough. See how loose that one is? I'm going to have to try to pull that out, drill that out. Might be able to get at it from the top, but you can't use them when they're loose like this, because as soon as you start putting the bolt in, it's just going to spin and it won't tighten. So I'll get a new bit for the Rivnut tool, pop a couple more of these in once I get that, and I'm going to have to drill that one out, because that is no good. So that's a tip on putting the Rivnuts in. The larger ones, not as bad. They don't strip or pull out as much. So the threads on this thing are a hell of a lot stronger than the threads on the actual Rivnut tool itself. So it pulls right out. But once I get another one, I'm going to put the Rivnuts spaced across here. So I'll put up another board here, another one up there, here, there, and I have to try to figure out something for the back. Still waiting on the windows to come in, as you can see, as well. Get a couple nice days in so I can put the fan in.
Alright, so hold on a second. This is what we're going to use for the ceiling. It's just a shiplap, pre-primed. But what I wanted to do was give an update. Here's the here's the other wall in place. Get some roughed in electrical. I'm going to put a plug and a switch there. The switch is going to be for the water heater. Now I've got the larger holes drilled out because I put Rivnuts in behind there, and I'm going to use those to fasten up the cabinets. So this way I can get into the Rivnuts in behind. So there's that one, and this wall is already in place. So it's starting to come together. The mattress is in place, but as you can see, it's a little too tight, so we're going to have to carve a little bit more off the mattress. But we're getting there. Walls are a big, those two walls are a big thing. Not sure if we're just going to put another piece of plywood up to the top or bring some of the shiplap down. All this is going to be in behind cabinets, so not sure there. This side again, bring shiplap down to here maybe, and then we can bring, I'm not sure. I'm thinking maybe plywood and then bring the shiplap down a little bit, but we'll see.